guys! And welcome ulit sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng crispy chicken skin chicharon. And here are the following ingredients. I have here 2.5 kilogram ng chicken skin. Make sure na hugasan natin itong maigi under running water. And then, make sure na i-drain yung maigi yung excess na water. And after natin mahugasan, i-slice natin to for about 3 inches in length or in size. Kailangan na medyo malaki ang hiwa kasi mag-shrink ito pagka naluto. And then, isa-set aside muna natin. Ang ating next step, isi-season natin to ng pepper to taste and salt to taste. I-add natin tong 1/4 cup ng corn starch. And then, we will mix it well. Make sure na well-coated yung ating chicken skin ng corn starch. After natin ma-mix, isa-set aside muna natin ito. Next, dito sa isang bowl, i-combine natin itong 1 teaspoon ng garlic powder. Add ko na rin itong 1 teaspoon ng onion powder. Itong 1 teaspoon ng paprika. And half a teaspoon ng Chine Five Spices. And then, we will mix it well. And i-add natin ito sa 1 cup ng all-purpose flour. And again, we will mix it well. After nating mahalo, we will set this aside. Next, mag-preheat na tayo ng oil dito sa ating pan for deep frying. Then, itong ating chicken skin, i-coat natin ito dun sa ating mixture. Make sure na well-coated ito. And then, ipiprito na natin. Then, continue natin ang procedure hanggang matapos natin yung chicken skin. After 5 minutes, balik na rin naman natin. And we will continue sa pagprito hanggang maging crispy and golden brown. Ayan, golden brown na yung ating chicken skin. Pwede na natin itong i-transfer sa isang plate lined with paper towel para ma-absorb yung excess oil. And continue natin yung pagprito ng rest ng ating chicken skin. After nating maprito, iset aside lang natin to at papalamigin natin. Nung nag-preheat uli ako ng oil, i-double fry natin yung napalamig nating chicharon. Maybe for about 2 minutes in small batches. And then after 2 minutes, balik na rin naman natin para sa kabilang side. Ayan, after 2 minutes, talagang crispy na yung ating chicharon. I-transfer natin to at i-drain natin yung excess oil. Ayan, eto na yung ating chicharon. And there you have it, our crispy chicken skin chicharon, best served with pinakurat na suka. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button para lagi kayong updated tuwing mag-upload ako ng videos. Ako po si Aling Oday. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram.